What is whey protein? Whey protein is our purest form of protein. It's a concentrated protein which is derived from milk. During the process of making of cheese and paneer, there's a liquid derivative which is left. From that byproduct, whey protein is derived. There are basically three main types of whey protein, and out of these three, most commonly used is whey isolate. During the weight training, to build up muscle mass, whey isolate helps a lot. What does whey isolate contain? So whey isolate has branched-chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Branched-chain amino acids helps to repair muscle mass very fast. So that's why gym instructors ask you to consume whey protein during workout. Whey protein can increase the level of creatine and testosterone in your body. All of us know the increased amount of testosterone can lead to increased production of DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is linked to male pattern baldness. If you are susceptible to male pattern baldness or genetic hair loss, that means you have family members suffering from male pattern baldness, then there is a chance that heavy workout and consumption of excessive amount of whey proteins can accelerate your hair loss process. We advise our patients that if you want to consume whey protein, you have to consume in moderation. It usually comes out to 1 scoop, so that usually contains 28 grams of protein per day. Excessive consumption of whey protein should be avoided. If you are looking for other sources of protein depending on the intensity of the workout, we always recommend to consume natural sources of protein or consume other sources of protein like pea protein. If you are experiencing hair loss and want to consult, you can visit our website www.zivaclearing.com.